Hello, I hope you all are keeping cool. I'm Sadia Shormin. I'm originally from Dubai, Dhaka, but I am now based in Mohammadpur. I'm dedicated, I'm sincere, I'm honest, I'm responsible, I'm down to earth. I believe in connectivity because connectivity is the productivity. I work for Renata Limited as a additional manager, local procurement. Why Codeman BD? Yes, to introduce myself, highly skilled and reliable freelancer, ready to take any projects in the marketplace. My son, who is doing a course in Codeman BD, and told me regarding this. What is freelancing? Freelancing is a project-based work with flexible arrangements and client choice. Why freelancing? A freelancer can take on multiple projects with different clients simultaneously. Otherwise, I find here flexibility, choice of clients and projects. My target is myself, exposure to global brand. Thank you.